This is your reading for today. Your cards are Page of Pentacles and Three of Wands. Very soon, something that was stalled and was not making progress is going to start moving in your life. It will start moving in a very small way, like one small step, but that will keep moving forward and it will turn into a new beginning for you. So it is very, very likely that this is something that had been stagnant for a while, and you had been standing and thinking that I have put all the plans in motion, I have a long-term vision, but this thing needs to move so that my long-term vision actually starts rolling. And you could have been in a situation where you have asked a set of people around you to do something, make some plans, move ahead, and that has not been happening. But now you are going to see movement on that front, and there will be something externally, someone externally that is going to come forward and take the initiative and now understand that they need to make that move so that the other long-term plans can start moving, and that one can start taking action on the vision that was being built. So somebody on the outside who is connected to this, and some action from their side is needed to make this plan move ahead. That is going to happen very soon. It will not just mean that you still have to sit and think, should I not? When this external move happens, when this external block clears, yes, when that person takes initiative, don't be in a situation where you are still thinking, should I not? Because once that thing starts rolling, that long-term vision that you have built, it is going to be time to take action on that. Then don't think, should I not? You should start moving on that, start taking action on that. Now don't slip into an area where you are making comparisons still, because for a while those comparisons have been heavy on your mind because the external situation was not moving. So they have kind of put you into a state where sometimes it becomes the the paralysis of action. Too much thinking leads you into the paralysis of action. So when you see this small kickstart from the external side, make the move, because it is time to put this burden down. The time for delays is over, and it will be time to make that step. So don't sit and keep thinking, should I not? Go for it.